Watch this video and learn how to draw a little green alien.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Do you know what we're going to do today?
I don't know.
Should we paint something or draw?
Paint or draw?
Yes, what do you think?
Artie wanna draw. Yeah.
Okay, we'll do a drawing.
Today.
Okay, let's get ready to make a nice drawing.
Yeah, Artie make a nice drawing.
Hey, I'm Mikey Marker.
And I'm Betty Brush. Welcome to Artie's Show.
Okay, Artie, do you have your markers and your paper ready?
What? Okay.
Okay, let's get ready.
I'm ready to watch. I'm ready to play. What's he going to create today?
Well, today, Mikey, Artie's going to create an alien. Let's start by drawing the right eye. Aliens have big eyes that are sort of the same shape as an egg. That's it, Artie. Complete the egg shape. Well done. Now let's draw the left eye. Another egg shape. Try and make it the same size and the same shape, but on the left side. You're doing great, Artie.
Thank you.
Now let's draw some black circles inside the eyes. A little black circle on the left. Shade it in completely black. And then another one on the right side. Now we have two eyes.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
Now let's draw two little nostrils. Do a tear shape on the right, shade it in black, and another tear shape on the left, and shade that black as well. Let's draw a big smiley mouth, because our alien is very happy.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you, Louie. That was very helpful. Oh, Artie, I see you're giving our alien some eyebrows. A little triangle on the right, shaded in black, and a little triangle on the left. Now let's draw our alien's big head. Draw a curved line coming up on the left side. Continue up to the top of the head. Now come down the right side. Very good, Artie. And then let's finish off by coming down towards the chin. Now let's give him a cute little chin.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Let's draw our alien's left hand. Let's do 3 fingers. 1, 2, one more, Artie. 3. Now he has a left hand. It looks like he's waving at us. Time for the right hand. Try and match the left hand. Just 3 fingers. I know, 3 fingers is a bit funny, but aliens are funny.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Let's draw the left arm. A little curved J shape. Another curved line coming down. That's the left side of our alien's body. And then 2 curves, one from the hand and one up to the head. What was that? Dance break? You want a dance break, Artie? Okay, we can stop and have a dance break. Off you go.
Look at him go, Betty. Look at him go.
I'm going to say it may amaze everybody, but 10. Do you agree? Do you agree? 10.
That was a fantastic dance break, Artie. Well done. Should we carry on with the drawing and finish the alien? Let's try and make the right arm look exactly the same as the left. That's looking good. Don't forget the right side of his body. Now draw the underside of his tummy. Let's draw an alien foot on the left side, an upside down U, and a straight line across the bottom. Now 2 little angled lines coming up from the foot to the body, and now he has a leg.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Now let's do another foot and another leg on the right side. He's looking really good, Artie. He's a funny, cute little alien. Oh, I know. Let's draw a little spaceship next to him. The top half of a circle with a straight line across. 2 tiny little half circles and another straight line across. Let's do an angled line coming from the right side and one from the left.
Man, this is creative.
Artie is so talented.
Now let's go all the way across with a smiley curve shape. 2 more tiny little half circles. And another curve across. It needs something else. Oh yes, the bottom half of a circle on the underside. Let's do 2 tiny little triangles for legs. It's looking pretty good, Artie. I think it might be finished. Finished! Great job, Artie. Now you need to colour it in. But what colour are aliens?
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Great job, Artie. I love that lime green colour you picked for the alien and the grey to show the silver spaceship.
I can't believe how great you did.
Such an amazing artist.
You certainly are an amazing artist, Artie. Speaking of artists, thanks for watching, little artists, and we hope to see you again soon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.
Ha.